All right, what's up, everybody? It's Kris from Maxlider Brothers Customs, and I'm coming to you with our friend Jeff here from Ride for Relief. We had the opportunity to do a build for you guys last year for SEMA 2022. Let's tell us about the build. What do you remember? What all we did for you?
Where do we start? I mean, you guys did a full BDS suspension for us, your branded bumpers, wheels and tires, new interior from cat skin that you guys did, a custom interior for us, Dynomat. I mean, you gave us the works.
So you've had the truck for about a year now, right? And so what have you been doing with the truck ever since you got it, the Bronco?
The whole reason we reached out to you guys is because you guys are the #1 Bronco builder around here.
Thank you.
So we reached out to them. They built this ride for us, and it's for our charity that we do. It's called Ride for Relief. I'm a retired firefighter police officer, and I travel around the country and I speak in police and fire departments about officer wellness. And we use the Bronco as kind of a means to kind of show off the tour and kind of get the word out there. And it's kind of that eye-catching thing when we're out there on the road. So we take it around the country, we speak in police and fire departments, and then of course we take it to SEMA, and we'll be having it back at SEMA 2023.
First of all, thank you for all your service.
And thank you.
First responders, our military, everybody who helps serve this country is very important to Erik and I, and we want to give back as much as we can possible to you know, people like you and your what you're trying to do. And so, like, thank you for everything you guys do. So right now, you are touring the U.S.?
Yeah, we're in the middle of our tour. We're just in Peoria today. We're on our way to Virginia. We're going to Overland Expo, where we'll be showcasing the vehicle, doing some stuff around North Carolina, South Carolina, and then we'll be heading out from there, just all over the U.S. You can kind of follow the ride on rideforrelief.com and at Ride for Relief on our Instagram, and we'll be traveling around and then ending at SEMA at Las Vegas for the SEMA show 2023.
Sweet. So everybody follow them. Great cause. We loved doing the build with you guys. Love what you stand for, and we appreciate you guys stopping by today.
Thank you again.
It's good seeing
awesome.
you. It's good seeing the Bronco.
Thanks. Yeah, thank you.
So, see y'all.
See you out there.